Hello, hi, and welcome to my DEKU cosplay breakdown, where I do not cry about my cosplay and have an emotional meltdown, but explain this costume to you as well as talk through pricing, materials, all that jazz. Let's start with the bodysuit. It was made by my girlfriend SVATTII using material from Joann's. It's upholstery fabric, very warm, and linked in the description. SVATTII patterned this pretty much from scratch, adjusting the silhouette to my body exactly to allow the shape to be as masculine as possible. For socks, I use compression socks I got off Amazon that are way too big for me. They're a men's size medium and I usually wear kids sizes. On top of those, I wiggle on the top of the leg bracers. I made these the night before Katsucon a few years ago out of stacked craft foam and stretched nylon fabric. They really need to be velcroed on, TBH, and kind of just remade in general. The main part of the leg armor is motorbiking guards I got off Amazon. I like their shape and are too lazy to make this part by hand. I also need to replace these. They always fall down, I wear DEKU a lot, so the Velcro is wearing down, and these two are meant for men while I am not quite those proportions. DEKU shoes are Gucci. Searching for shoes, I came across these Gucci sneakers, made a bad joke, and the rest is history. I can't afford Gucci, so I found these on eBay for about $270 when they originally retailed for around $790. Due to these shoes, DEKU is one of my most expensive cosplays. Pro heroes wear Gucci? There's also the exact same shoes I wear linked in the description below. They're very, very expensive, just a heads up, but if you got that kind of coin, they there. The belt is also made by SVATTII. I did some bad patterning, and after a long fight with geometry, we got this bad boy. The belt is why I love this cosplay so much. It provides so much space to carry stuff for cons. It's made out of red vinyl from Joann's. For DEKU's arm padding, I got some off Amazon. Once again, men's elbow pads. They look good, but I really do need to replace them for a smaller size to fit my proportions better. Now for my least favorite part, the neck guard. I bought this off of Etsy because of time constraints while con crunching. It's very well made. I just hate it, not because of the prop. It's very well done. It's very good. I recommend. But the hood pulls back against my neck and sometimes it makes me feel like I'm being choked. Also, how I put it on is dumb. My friend Liz has a much better way by putting snaps on it, which I plan to do someday. Lastly, the gloves. Another Amazon purchase. They're utility gloves. I like to give a realistic look to my cosplay, so most of DEKU's costume is something I could, in theory, go kick some villain butt in. I painted the blue detail with acrylic paint and painted over the logo with white wall paint because that's what I had on hand. Also, another part of the fabric is the black trimming of DEKU's design on his bodysuit. That is made out of black pleather and this weird mesh thing. We were just really wanting to add a lot of texture to this part of his outfit and to make it look cool, so we just layered some stuff and broke a lot of leather needles. Other items not fully disclosed are the shoulder pads. I made these out of foam and button snap things. They're kept on my shoulders with snaps. I used white foam, but still spray painted it for a cohesive look. My wig is from Epic Cosplay Wigs. I restyled it and curled it a lot more, and have kept this look since first cosplaying DEKU. And lastly, for my contacts, I use circle lenses from Lens Village. They are also linked below. And that's DEKU. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Let me know which one of my cosplays you'd like to see a breakdown of next. Vote on the Gucci Gremlin Gang to decide. Also, feel free to ask any questions below about this cosplay. Links of what materials I could find are in the description box. Until next time, bye!